Guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Chatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 19th tutorial of probability, chapter 15 of standard 10th. In last session we discussed about example 12 and in this session we will discuss about example 13. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 13 and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer and the question is, I like two types of chocolates, Silk and Dairy Milk, but probability to like Dairy Milk is 0.2. Then find the probability to like Silk, right? Now total of both probabilities equals to 1, right? So another probability means probability to like Silk equals to 1 minus 0.2 because probability to like Dairy Milk is 0.2 and total probability is 1. So 1 minus 0.2 equals to 0.8. Got it? Now go to the next. It's example 13 from your textbook and it is very important for exam. Now question is, two dice, one is blue and one is grey, are thrown at same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is? Right, first of all I have written all this over here. Now one is blue and second one is grey, right? And possible outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 6, like that 6 6, right, till 6 6 means all total outcomes equals to 6 into 6 equals to 36. Got it? Now we should find the addition of all this. First one is 8, second 13 and third less than or equal to 12. Now addition of 8, check here, addition of both is 8, right? So starting with this, 2 6 equals to 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8 and 6 plus 2 it's 8. Got it? So there are 5 possible outcomes, 6 2, 5 3, 4 4, 3 5 and 2 6, right? Now second for 13, but addition of 6 6 means last one is 12, so there is no possible outcome for addition of 13, right? So its possible outcome 0. And third one is less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12 means addition of all, because maximum 6 plus 6 is 12. So less than or equal to means all these possible outcomes is 36. Got it? Because of starting with the 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4 means we can include all these 36 outcomes. Got it? Now starting the answer. Here total numbers 6 into 6 is 36. So total outcomes 36. And possible outcomes for first one, addition of 8, it's 5. I have here made the oval, right? So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 5 divided by 36. Now addition 30, it's not possible, right? So its answer 0 means possible outcome for that is 0. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 0 divided by 36 equals to 0. Now third one, addition less or equal 12. Less or equal 12 means we can include all these outcomes, right? So answer is 36. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. 36 divided by 36 equals to 1. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now it's homework time and the question is, I like drawing as well as teaching. Now probability to like drawing is 0.4. Then find the probability to like teaching. Got it? Now best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.